क्लास टिचरीन एक पिरियडा ताका उलयताय म्हण ताका भायर गायलो 3 जाणां कळ्ळें का 3 जाणां भायर गेले म्हणटकीर कितें जालें 2 जाण उबे आसलेले ताचे पांय ओडोन येयले म्हण तो उबो रावलो मागीर ताणें एक विंडो धरलो कडेन ताणें कितें केलें फादर येतालो फादर येता तें चोवना फादरान चोयलो विंडो धरून आहा म्हण तितलें कामा फादरान ताका दोलांनी एकदम मारलो रुथलसली मागीर मारता तोंडार बिंडार मारली दोळ्यार बिळ्यार सगळे थंयसून सावन किक बी मारली तेजेर मागीर कितें तो फादराक सांगिल्लें फादर प्लीज आपल्या मानाका ही बॅग बी तो फादर दोळे बी तोंड बी धांपलें तोंड तूं उगोवन दाखय नाल्यार ती ब्रेक युअर जॉज म्हणून लागलो मागीर तो सांगूंक लागलो की फादर मानाक देव तेगे आयकना पण ताणें तेजे तो तोंड आपल्या त्या तोंडाचें मात म्हूण तें हात दवरलो म्हणून ताणें केंसान दवरलो आनी ताका वंटीचें मारलो 2 बुसा बँग केलो तकली ताणें आमकां सांगना मागीर क्लासीक घेवन वचून न्हिदोलो ताका गुंवळेवपा लागली आनी भुरग्यांक सांगलें ताका न्हिदान दवरलो टिचर बी येयल्यो ताका एलावड केलो न्हिदपाक आनी मागीर तागे नाकांतल्यान मागीर ब्लड येवपा लागलो ड्राय ब्लड मातशें थिंग ड्राय जावन ब्लिडींग जावन सुद्दां आसतलें मागीर देर आफ्टर ताणें आमकां तो घराको येवपाक 12:30 ताणें स्कूल जालोलें 1:30 तो घरा पावपाचो तो पावोंक ना ड्यू टू डिप्रेशन or fear or shame, he did not come to home. Googling. Scanning and all, he was finding that this pain on the neck, on the skull, and that is very painful all over this face, you know. And then the mouth, nose, everything was swollen on that same day. So that was he, and he has insisted him that not to come to school. If you come to school, I'll bash your jaws. So with that fear, he did not go to school yesterday. And today was admitted, he is in the hospital, and he was very much depressed, tired, very sick.
मी आता कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या
तेंची आमी पुलिसान सुद्दां हिंगा हॉस्पिटलान तेगे केस रजिस्टर केल्ली.
Today we received a complaint from the resident of Fatora that his minor boy, age about 13 years, who was going to Loyola High School, was assaulted by the principal of the Loyola High School while he was standing in the corridor. The incident took place on the 27th at about 11:30 hours. At the time when he was standing on the corridor of the school, the principal came and started to assault with fist blows and also threatened him that he will give a blow on his jaws if he comes again to school in future. In this connection, we registered a crime under section 323, 5062 and section 8 of Goa Children Act, and further investigation is in progress.